There is a dam break warning for the cities of Valhalla, White Plains, Scarsdale, West Harrison, and Purchase. At 5:22 p.m. last night, a powerful earthquake rocked the Attica area. The quake weakened the Kensico Dam in Valhalla, New York. At 9:30 a.m. this morning, after several aftershocks, the dam was condemned due to large cracks and splits in the dam. It is expected to break and flood those cities. If you are in these areas, evacuate inland or to higher ground now. The flooding in all areas is predicted to be severe. It may break at any time. Evacuate immediately or face certain death. Emergency update. At 12 p.m. the Kensico Dam burst. If you do not evacuate, you are putting your life at risk and may be facing certain death. Evacuate now. The Kensico Dam break flooded much of the Westchester area. Although the flood is over, great damage has been sustained in those cities. Do not return home. I repeat, the flood has caused great damage to those cities. Do not return home.